If you're a startup, solo entrepreneur, or growing business looking for a simple, cost effective way to manage customers and run marketing campaigns, CRM1 offers a compelling solution. Built to combine CRM functionality with automation tools, CRM1 eliminates the need to juggle multiple platforms just to stay organized and connected with your leads. What sets CRM1 apart is its accessibility. It's designed for non-technical users who need a reliable CRM and marketing suite without a steep learning curve or a hefty price tag. With built-in tools for contact management, email campaigns, pipeline tracking, and even landing page creation, CRM1 gives you a complete growth stack in one place. In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with CRM1, explore its most useful features, and explain why it's an ideal fit for teams seeking simplicity and value without sacrificing essential capabilities. So simply head over crm1.com and they offer a free trial. So simply click on Get Started Free and sign up for an account. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be greeted to your dashboard right here. So first we have this setup process. So this is for those who just created accounts. So basically this is what you need to do to get used to its features and to get started. So first they will let you import or add your contacts manually. You can sync your Google account. You can also integrate Mailgun. You can connect your Facebook. You can bring WhatsApp on board, engage with web chats, connect your inbox channel, such as your emails. You can enable secure payments and set up your domain connection. So for now, I'm just going to walk you through all of its features and sections. So first we have our dashboard right here. So basically, this is how our dashboard will look like. So you'll see everything you need to see about your workflow and your work. So as you can see, you'll see your sales overview right here. You can see your latest assigned contacts, your latest assigned accounts. So basically all of these tables right here. You can also see your appointments. And of course, you can always edit this. So you can rename it, you can add to dashboard. So basically, you can also filter the reports the way you want. You can refresh it, you can select filters. Next, we have the conversation section where we can see our inbox. So basically, this is your inbox right here. So you can always connect all of your accounts, such as your email, your Facebook, your Instagram, and you'll see all of the inboxes right here. So we also have the conversation. So as you can see, you'll see the messages in this section. Next, we have the contact section. So first, let's go to contacts. So as you can see, this is how your contacts will look like. So to add a new contact, simply click on Add Contact right here in the top right. So you can manually add the contact right here. And of course, you can also import your contacts by uploading files. So as you can see, they support CSV files. So just add all of your contacts to CSV files and import them right here to bulk add. And to see the details of the contacts, you can always click them. As you can see, this is their contact details, the name, contact information, and of course, you'll see their activity. Next, we have the accounts. So basically, it works the same as the contacts. So you'll see accounts right here. Again, to add a new account, just click on Add Account right here in the top right. You also have the Smart List. So you can see or add lists right here. So basically, This list is just you can group or filter all of your accounts or contacts. Next, we have canned response. So you'll see all of the canned response right here. Of course, you can always add a new one. So basically, I think this is the automation. Next, we have bulk operation. So basically, you can add bulk operation right here. So you can select contact and perform bulk operation on selected contacts. You can select accounts, you can select deals and tasks. Next, we have the marketing section. From here, you can see your email marketing. So you can add email marketing right here. Basically, you can create e-blasts, you can create SMS marketing, you can create your SMS marketing right here. We also have WhatsApp marketing, social media planner. CRmOne also has that. So you can connect your social media page right here. You can schedule posts. You can create posts. You can monitor and analyze the analytics. We also have the campaigns. So you can add or create campaigns right there. The tracking. Of course, you can track all of the files or trigger links. We also have our reputation right here. Next, we have the CMS section. From here in the CMS section, we have the funnel builder, website builder, email builder, SMS builder, form builder, and self-survey builder. So basically, this is the automations. So you can create these for your marketing. Next, we have sales. From here, you'll see your deals, your tasks, your recurring tasks, products, codes, and of course, meetings. So if you have appointments, you can always see it right here. Here in meeting section 2, you can see your calendar. So you can simply select dates or add an appointment to which dates. Next, we have the service section. So from here, you can simply see help desk, customer portal, knowledge base. We also have AI automations. So from here, you can create your workflows. You can create or edit your conversational AI agent, your voice AI agent, and web chat. And of course, your reports. So you'll see your dashboard right here and the reports. So basically, that's all of the sections and features of CRM1. So just feel free to explore more about how you can use these features. And of course, always use this setup section to make your work easier. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.